Hey guys, welcome to our channel India Campus Guru. First, I want to apologize to all our subscribers. I know we hit 700 subscribers recently, so thank you for all the love. And we want to apologize. I want to apologize for not putting videos. There have been a lot going on, and I think now onwards we're gonna put lot of videos and even like expand into the new SAP world, which is S4, Rise, Grow, and BTP and whatnot. So, and I think we thought, what a better day to do a video for another SAP patch days, because today is second Tuesday of the month, December today, and also this is the last patch day we're gonna have in 2024. So we would be doubling down on our videos and content maybe next year onwards. Feel free to add comments, provide feedback on the videos you want to watch. But let's start with the December patch days, which came today, again second Tuesday of the month, as we have been talking earlier as well. So yeah, December 10th 2024, SAP released 10 new SAP security nodes, and there were 3 updates. The most notable security vulnerabilities or the hard news we have, maybe after some time, we didn't have a lot of hot news in the earlier past days, but this December month we saw one hot news which seems would be applicable to your landscape, because this is for network AS Java, which most of the customer would have, and also for a service called Adobe Document Services, which is used for printing in SAP. So most probably 90% chance that you would have this vulnerability, or at least the landscape in your system, and maybe you are vulnerable for this hot news, which is 3536965 security node, and then CV is 20244757. Actually, this hot news has 3 multiple CVEs, and that's why I think it becomes hot news, because there are multiple vulnerabilities for the same component and the same application in your landscape. The CVSS score was given was 9.1, which is pretty I would say high. That's why it's a critical and hot news. So please, if you have to take one call out for the December patch day, that would be this hot news. Work with your basis, guys, and if you have SAP AS Java and Adobe Document Services in your landscape, please plan to update it, patch it as per the details provided in the SAP security note. And then there are other 4 high security vulnerabilities. 2 are updates to the November patch days. The first one was for web dispatcher for cross-site scripting, SAP note number 3520281. If you have taken corrective actions last month, and there is additional information, so you have to review it again with your basis friends and take corrective actions. The third one probably is a notable one, which is for RFC in network AS ABAP systems. And again, we all know remote function call, properly known as RFC, is a proprietary SAP protocol on networking side and used for all the on remote calls and whatnot. The node number is 3469791, and this is a kernel patch, and there are different kernel versions provided, and if you have one of these kernel, I think your system is vulnerable, so take corrective actions on that one as well. I would deem that one high as well. This is for RFC, which can be pretty risky because there are external connections, there are other interfaces coming through RFC protocol. So if I have to again, first is Adobe Document Services, the AS Java, but after that, if you have to worry about something, I will focus on the RFC one over web dispatcher. I would say we should do and patch all the 5 high and the hot news ones, but that can be order. The last one, not the last one, the third high is another update to the November patch days, node number 3504390. This is for ABAP and ABAP platform as well. Again, all these kernel versions are vulnerable. So if you are, please review the security note again for the updated information, or on top of the what they release in the November. the last remaining high new security note is 3542543. This is for server-side request forgery in SAP Network Administrator. The version is LM Core. So if you have this component in your network system, you may be vulnerable and try to apply patches as well as per your. Again, our recommendation is always follow your company's policy, but we always say hot news has to go as emergency patch. High probably as well. Medium and low can take its own process. So then there are other remaining, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 medium and 2 lows, and they can follow the whatever quarterly or whatever process you have to patch the SAP security vulnerabilities or just patch your systems, SAP system. So this is all for SAP patch days. As I say, SAP changed from PDF format to the web-based, I would say sometime in this year. And I think one of the reason, I guess, when I talked to somebody from SAP, they provided, which I also liked it, because I have this custom GPT called SAP CyberSecurity, which I will share the link. I think this can summarize the SAP patch days. Again, today it kind of gave me some wrong data from the old patch days, but I highly recommend guys to try to ask questions, and so that we can make this custom GPT smarter as well, because this is community. And also, I think we want to hear from you what kind of videos you want us to put, because as we all know, SAP world is changing. There's a lot focus on the SAP cybersecurity now. SAP is moving towards more on the cloud, whether it's BTP, whether it's RISE, private cloud edition and whatnot. So we will try to expand our kind of content to even move into cyber. And also there is some surprise coming up, which we'll be talking about later. Maybe revealing who I am, maybe talking about more things in future, and also maybe inviting experts on our channel as a podcast. So, and also maybe we should rename our channel, because it started like something to try to help mentor freshers in India, but I think we are a global community, and probably we need a better name which can relate more to the SAP community. So provide, guys, please provide your feedback on everything we discuss. And I apologize for not putting videos, even though you have been sharing your love. We hit 700 subscribers, which is a milestone, provided we didn't put a lot of videos. So we're gonna try to put more videos, more content, which can help maybe also create like a mentor and mentee program, where the fresher we can connect to the SAP experts, and maybe some kind of create like a community, a authentic one, no selling, nothing like that, more like a mentor mentee, and try to help each other. So thank you again, guys, for watching. I apologize for not putting videos again, and hopefully you will see more videos. You'll see more love from you guys. And this is the last month of this year, so happy new year. If you don't put any other further video for this year, because again, we're gonna take some off, right? So happy new year. We'll see you in the next year. Be SAP cyber secure. Thank you. Bye.